on a little bit of a king of the hill. So let me go ahead and make a directory for Shrek. And we'll try to ping this guy, see if he's up and running yet. He is not. Okay, that's alright. Usually takes a minute to launch. Also, just in case he can't be pinged, we'll start with an mmap scan. This is a king of the hill, so it's, you know, try and move as fast as possible. He can be pinged, and we are pinging him. We got 21, 22. Since it is a king of the hill, I'm not going to do anything with 21. I'm just going to try to immediately just get right into it. So I'm just going to do an FTP and see if anonymous log is allowed. And it doesn't look like it is. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and then we'll unmap it. See if it's, you know, a version that can be exploited or something like that. So we got 21, 22 so far. Not seeing anything else on here yet. Let's go ahead and do a rust scan. $80, 9999. Let's go ahead and check out 80 like real quick. Okay, picture of Shrek. Shrek is like an onion. Then we have this. That's a base 64. That equal sign at the end tells us that. So let's go ahead and base 64 that guy. Or it might be base 32. I believe it's base 64. Let's go ahead and base 64 that guy. So we'll do a, and while we're doing that, let's go ahead and also get a Python 3 a dir search up and running. Like I said, this is going to be much faster. I also don't know if the guy that I'm playing against, you know, already has like an idea of what's in Shrek, things like that. So he may be able to. So that's what we got, the base 64 attack D for decoded. I don't really know what that's trying to tell us, but maybe that's like a directory. Nope, it's not a directory. Okay. So now we're kind of at a standstill like right now, unless if that's Shrek's password. So we could always try that. SSH is Shrek at 10.10.52.251. Could always try that. Might be Shrek's password like right there. We do have an API and stuff. Control Shift V that guy in there. And nope, nothing. So okay, not getting anything with that. We do have a 9999 also. Let's go ahead and map that. That might be part of just the box itself to have it up and running with 52.251. Okay, and what else we do? We try to look at like robots.txt, see if there's an upload.txt. Okay, so we do have a robots.txt. Cool. Disallow that. So let's go ahead and grab that like right there. And let's pull that in here. And we have an RSA key. I wonder if that's for Shrek. We can always try that. Let's go ahead and try that for Shrek then. So let's do a CD into Shrek. And we'll do a nano ID RSA. We don't know whose key it is yet, but I think it's Shrek. Damn it. There we go. There we go. SSH tag I, Shrek at the IP address 10.10.52.251. Oh, probably need an ID RSA key in there. Moving almost too fast. There we go. And I wonder if that's even Shrek. No, maybe I should actually change the mode. 600. So ID RSA. We'll try that again. And has this guy got anywhere yet? Has he gotten into it at all yet? No, no king changes. Doesn't look like he has any flags yet. So cool. Alright, and we are in as Shrek. ls-LA. We do have flag.txt. Go ahead and cat that flag.txt. Alright, and we have our first flag. I wonder if that other one was actually a flag also. We can try that. The other thing was a flag that I had down here. Try that for a flag. Usually it says that's a flag, but I mean, nope, that's not a flag. I don't know what that is down there or why we have it. We do have a check.sh. Wonder if we can read that. Bin bash date time check, and that's being ran by root, like right there, executed by root. What if we can actually change that? If we can echo like a reverse shell in there. Scripts. No, let's do netcat reverse shell. Something easy. And we'll do an if config. So whenever we throw it in there, we can get my IP address, throw it in correctly. Let's just try something like easy like this at first. So we can echo that. And we obviously want to put in my IP address for that, which is going to be right there. And we're listening on port 4242. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. And we'll try to append that into check.sh. See if we can do that. Okay, it looks like we can. And cat check.sh, make sure that was actually appended. It is. NC LVMP 4242. Let's go ahead and try to run it and see if it actually works. If that's going to get anything back to us. And it doesn't look like it is. We have permission denied, that's why. And then NC command is not found, so we can't do that either. So which Python maybe? Maybe we create a Python reverse shell in there. So we do have Python. We have user bin Python. Might be able to do something like that. I haven't even looked up SUID bits or anything like that yet also. So let's go ahead and cat SUID bits. We don't have his password, so we're not going to be able to do like a sudo tac l. It does have GDB in here. I wonder if we can try to do something with oh, we do have cron tab also. We can also run cron tab too. So that's kind of strange, like right there. And change. How's that? Let's go GTFO bins. Let's see what that is. Change. Okay, what about cron? Cron tab. That's going to be with sudo. So we can't do that one, like right there. New group, unmount, sudo. Change. Why does he have GDB in here? Is he doing exploit development? We do have an SUID with GDB, so might be able to do that right there. So let's go ahead and head over to CD into user bin, and we'll try that one, like right there. And I'm now root. Cool. So we'll CD into /root. That was pretty easy. We'll cat that root.txt. Whoopsie daisy, that was not what I want to do. Oh, we also have a /upload. Might be able to find some different ways into this guy. Let's go and cat root.txt. There we go. You can go ahead and throw that in there. And then I also need to put my name in the King of the Hill file. I haven't done King of the Hill in a while though. So hopefully I can get my name in there. LS-LA. And it's king.txt, right? That I need to put my name into. So I believe it's echo. And I need to put my exact name in there also. So overgrown caret 1. Let's take it just right off of there. And we'll put that into we'll append that into king.txt. Let's go ahead and cat king.txt. And my name's now in there. So we should actually see me pop up over here in like a little bit. So we're root now. So that's good. We could always get rid of that robot.txt IDRSA file and make him try to come in through a different way. I wonder if that /uploads is the way to come in. I wonder if we can try to get in that way, like right there. But I could always do that to try to make it the box safer, or change the IDRSA file. That's kind of messed up. But let's see. Let's go ahead and CD into home. Since I am root now, CD in a donkey. Let's see if he has like a RSA file. Then he can come in as donkey. He might not have the same. No, it is not. Okay, but we do have FTP like right there, so I would like to check that out also. Cat that flag.txt. Because if we can change the FTP up to anonymous login and be able to do some different things, we might have a backdoor kind of thing in there. Oh, yep, there we go. Overgrown caret 1. So cool. I made it to there. I don't even have my Twitch even running on my phone like right now. See if there's anything happening. Do I even have it on YouTube over here? I don't have anything up and running. I saw that we were doing this. I was like, all right, cool, I'll do this. Dashboard. I don't know how to even. How do I do this? There we go. I am live. Alright, cool. So yeah, I got a little King of the Hill going like right now. Alright. So let's go ahead and CD in FTP. And we do have a file in there, CD in that file, because we couldn't get in it. Or no, okay, cat that file, excuse me. Alright, there's nothing in it. That's weird. Alright, CD back. It is being ran by root though also. I wonder if we could make a like a netcat in there. If we could do a netcat in there, and then I don't think so. I'll see how that would work, but let's try it. Let's see what we can do. See if we can do that. Oh yeah, netcat is not a command, is it? We do have Python though, so we could try something like that. We could also try. Well, no, because netcat is not a command. I was about to say we could also try this guy up here. Could we? No, because netcat NC. NC tech E is not. Yeah, NC is not a command. Okay. They also had port 8009. They have quite a few ports on here. So I wonder if we can get in this another way. We also have a CMS, which I believe should be a bookstore, right? CMS made simple. It's not a bookstore. Okay. I wonder if there's a how CMS works. CMS made simple version 2.2.8. I wonder if we could do like a search exploit for that. Search exploit. I think if we found the easiest way in. Search exploit CMS 2.2.8. CMS cross-site scripting 2.2.8. So 2.0 arbitrary file upload, but that's the cup CMS. This CMS made simple, right? And this is okay. So that's SQL injection 2.2.8 though. SQL injection. So we always try that like right there. We can go ahead and grab this guy and see what he's doing. Let's go ahead and do a CD into Shrek, and we'll do a search exploit. Search exploit attack M for that. And we can go ahead and cat that guy, see exactly what he's doing. Probably grab some more flags also. CD back a couple times. CD into puss. He's got SSH. We might be able to put his SSH in that robots.txt thing or whatever it was. So there's a cat that flag. Let's go and grab that one. We'll throw that into here. This guy still hasn't got anywhere. Don't know if he's even actually playing. What do you mean the flag was incorrect? Oh, no shit. Yeah, it was incorrect. You're 100% correct. It was incorrect. I didn't even drop it. I just put in flag.txt. Hey, is that it? There's a flag. Come on. Give me something here, guys. Alright. So we can let's go ahead and CD in a var www HTML. LS tech LA. I was about to say we may have something in here, but we do not. We got that guy right there. Cat him. Boom, and that's my IDRSA, right? And Donkey actually owns that one. Didn't we come into Shrek? I thought we did. Yeah, we came into Shrek at whatever. Donkey owns that one for some reason. We got robots.txt like right there, Shrek.png. We have an upload. So let's CD into upload. See if there's anything in here yet. Uploads, and then index.php. Let's go ahead and cat that index.php. Document type, okay, nothing really. Base name files, boom, boom. Alright. CD and uploads again. And this is probably where the files are actually being uploaded to. So let's go ahead and try to upload something. See if we can get some type of backdoor in here. We'll browse. Well, first let's put stuff in the right folder. So we'll go ahead and copy from Pentest Monkey reverse shell right into here, right? Go ahead and nano that. PHP reverse shell. And I got my IP address right down here. Okay, so we can utilize that. Let's see if we can create another way into this guy. That'll also make me feel better if 10.98.166, if I decide to change out those RSA keys like right there, or get rid of them totally. So let's go ahead and upload this guy because it was correct. We'll browse for my IP address. We'll browse for try hack me, and it was I put it under King of the Hill. Okay, I already have food. Oh, whoops, I messed up because I think I made another file, King of the Hill. Yeah, I did. So I'll just have to add those two together or something. Then we do have our PHP verse shell. Let's go ahead and submit that and see if it works. It didn't tell me that it didn't, so it went upload and then went uploads again, right? Uploads slash, and we should have actually see it in here now. And we do not. That's weird. We didn't get anything that said that we couldn't do that. So that's what's kind of weird about this. I'm already in uploads. Yes, I was. Yeah, we're not getting anything with uploads. Probably because it's uploads, not upload. It's uploads, isn't it? It's uploads. There we go. So we need to do uploads. Let's see if there's anything in here. And all we get is this parent directory. But there's nothing in here. That's kind of weird. Because we have all that. So we can cd and upload. And what is that? Where's that guy go? I wonder if this cat index.php is not doing anything at all. Move upload files. File, temp name, target file. Echo, file uploaded / uploads. We didn't get that echo, did we? Is there only certain ones that we can upload? Is it checking for anything? If check mime equals image.png. Okay, or image gif. Okay, so else 0. Okay, so that means we need to make it a PNG image and probably change it along the way. So let's go ahead and move that PHP to a shell.php.png. And then we'll just intercept it along the way and see if we're doing client-side or server-side validation. So let's go ahead and start up this burp suite. So I know you guys have seen me do this one before for client and server-side validation. We're going to browse, get this guy all ready to go. Everything. We're just not going to upload him yet. We're going to see which validation we're actually using here. Then we'll go from there. Burp suite, because I didn't click on it immediately. Died. Alright, okay. Sorry for not clicking on you. Sorry for not paying attention to you, burp suite. No, I don't need to update it. Start up burp suite. And we're just going to work from here on trying to get these uploads going. So let me make sure intercept is on. Cool. And we'll go ahead and submit that. And that should just intercepted it. Then we'll do a shell.php. Let me go ahead and send this to repeater to see if we get that file upload success. Select image. I don't think that we did. Yeah, because there's nothing on here that says upload successful. So it's probably doing a server-side validation. Which we may be able to do the GIF one. So we may be able to do GIF magic bytes. That's what it's called. And we'll go ahead and advance. It may also just be looking at the header of it. So we want the magic bytes for, what is it, GF89A or something like that, I think it is. I just saw GF89A, but I always forget where to put that at. Alright, so this is the exploiting file upload, boom, boom. Exploiting the upload functionality. Alright. Way to be able to put the magic bytes into an unexpected check file. I wonder if it's just exif tool. Or I wonder if we actually do it right up there. If we just put it right in there. Like GIF89A, I think it is. So let's try to do something like that. I thought it was with like exif tool or something though. Where do you put it at? Doesn't show us. Thanks. So now we'll change the file content, show our script with an ASCII2. First we need to look at the list that you can search for on the internet. Contents of the site above, we can see the codes that represent each format. So we append that to the beginning of the file. Okay, yeah, it's just appended it to the beginning. Alright, cool. And I believe we want 89A. Yep, that's what we want, like right there. I believe we want that. So let's go ahead and grab that, and we'll cat our shell php.png. I think, or we'll actually nano that. I think what we can actually do is, whoopsie daisy. Let's press Control X. No. There we go. I think that's it, like right there. No, I think I have to put I have to do that afterwards. And then we can move that shell to shell.php. This is going to be the last time I try this one, like right here. I mean, we are in. We pretty much won already. Let's go and browse, and we'll try that again. And see if it actually looks at it as a... Yep, it did. So it looked at it as a GIF. So what we did was we put the GIF magic bytes in there at the very beginning. GIF 89A, right? So if I cat this guy again, shell.php. We did try to intercept it, get rid of the .png. That didn't work for us, so we put magic bytes in the beginning of it. We said, hey, GIF 89A, and that's so the server side just looking at the header of it, pretty much seeing is it a GIF file or some of that. So now we should be able to see the uploads, and it should be in there, and it is. So let's go ahead and go to uploads now. Uploads, and we can see it in there. And let's go ahead and start up our listener here, 4242, and we'll click on him and see if he actually calls back to us, which he is not. Failed image is quite common, not fatal. Connection refused. Oh, is it 4444? It's probably 4444. Whoopsie daisy. So let's go ahead and back it up. We'll do that. And now the connection's not okay. And we're now donkey now. So we could always see what can donkey do, right? So we can always cat scripts SUID look up that text. And we'll see what can donkey actually do, right? So donkey, he can also do that GDB, so we could do the same exact thing. I don't know what run parts. What's that? Let's see if we can do something with that. Back. Run parts? We can with an SUID bit. What is this? Can always try to do that. And there's a lot of ways to escalate this stuff. So CD into user bin, and we'll go ahead and do run parts. Did anything change? Nothing changed with that. So not directory tech new session. CD into user bin. It was user bin run parts, right? Tech new session. Okay. Not gonna do any of that, like right there. So let's see what else he can do. How else we can increase our privileges, maybe. Mount, no. Cron tab. That was only with sudo. So GDB looks like our main thing. Wait, I already did it, at least. So GDB. Okay, SUID bits. And we'll go ahead and we'll run for this guy, for our SUID bits. We'll run that GDB again and make ourselves upgrade from there. And we're root again. Alright, cool. So when I exit out there, we'll create that listener, we'll keep that listener up and running in case this guy does come in and like kicks us out or something like that, then we can hop right back into this thing. So there's another way to be able to get in, multiple ways. Probably even more than that. Those are just two that I looked at so far. The CMS, we did start to look at that, right? So let's go ahead and cat that guy. Now we're just having some fun here. Let's see here. What's this guy doing, like right here? Or what do we have to put in for him to work? How about that? So CVE 2019-9053 version 2.2.9, and it looks like equal to or under. And we're on 2.2.8, I believe it was, whatever I was on. Add option tag URL, whatever, okay. Example, HTTP that, /CMS. So let's go ahead and try it. So it's in Python, might be Python 3. So we'll go ahead and do, what does it say in the top there? User bin Python, user bin Python 3. Bin a little Python, okay. So we'll do Python. For whatever it is, yep, that guy, boom. Tag U for URL, at least that's what it said to do. It said that was a CMS, right? So let's go ahead and get back to this guy, and then we'll go ahead and type in CMS again. I think that's what it was. Yep, /CMS. Okay, cool. So that's my guy I'm trying to tackle right there. Just do it like that. Import no module name term color. Is it Python 3? Specify a URL. Tag URL. Give me print plus specify URL. Python. So this guy was really working the way I thought it was going to. Could always look up that CVE and see what he's all about and everything. So that was cat him, and we could always look up the CVE and see what he's all about. CVE is 2019. Let's go ahead and do Metasploit. Let's have console and see if we can go ahead and crack him with that. We're already in here, but we should probably look at flag.txt also, huh? So, going cat, stop that. Cat, what I named it? I think I named it user flag or find user text.txt, and we'll go ahead and grab this. We're actually looking for flag.txt. Server web flag.txt, we have that. We have test flag, modify flag, root flag.txt. So we have quite a few things in here. Let's go ahead and go into that server web. Let's cat this guy right here. See if that's one of the flags. Something long. I don't know what this is down here. That might be something though too. Cool. I wonder what this is down here. If this is anything that we need to look at. Cyber Chef. Whoopsie daisy. Oh, Pop-Tart. That looks good. Oh, yep, that says something. Alright, that doesn't really give me much. Okay. Or those other flags that we had that one already found. Puss, Donkey, and Shrek's flag. Go ahead and try that. Now, Docker overlay. That's probably nothing like right there, but we could try it. Oh, maybe it is something. Maybe it is. Alright. Yeah, that's another flag. And we did have another one in there too. That was just like that, didn't we? So I did that top one. Let's try this guy also. Let's go and cat that. And we got another flag, it looks like here. Which looks like the same exact thing actually. Yeah, it is the same exact thing. So that won't work for us. But that should be all the flags, like right there. I don't know what mod file flag.txt. I don't think that's gonna be anything. We'll try it. Yep, didn't think so. All right. And where are we? We're trying to look up that CVE, right? We're gonna search for that. And that's not going to be it because I don't think it's a Mongo database. What version was this guy again? It was version 2.2.8. Simple CMS. There's an upload. Execute like right there. Might be able to use that. We can try that guy like right there. So let's use 29. Show options. Set L host to ton 0. L port, we'll change that, so we'll set the L port to 5555. Our R host, so our remote host, we'll change that up to right here. Okay. Remote port is 80. Target URI is not that. It's actually just CMS, so we'll set our target URI to /CMS, and that should be it, like right there. Username, the username that we use for authentication purposes. So this does need a username and password, which I do not have. Right? I wonder if we can get to like an SQL or anything like that. API CMS. There's CMS like right there. I wonder if they have. If we can CD into CMS and find another way into this guy. Cat that config.txt or config.php. Root database password is password. So hopefully that's it. We'll try that. So we'll set username Set username to root. Set password to password. I'm going to run that. Exploit P, no such exploit board due to failure. Boom, boom. Upload failed. Okay. But let's try to log into it with root and password. Is there a login first off? Is there actually a place to log into this guy? Login? Let's log into you. CMS made simple. Not really seen a place to log into this guy. But right there I was seeing a lot of stuff like right there. Okay. That didn't give me anything. See if that would give me anything at all. Just a quick, easy one. Content menu manager. It's just showing me how it works. Oh, it did say I was Shrek like right there though. Did you notice that? Well, it just says Shrek. That might just be just because of this box's name. CMS/admin. Is that like a thing? It wasn't uploads on there. Admin login. Okay, cool. Not PHP. And we had root and then password, right? Let's see if that actually works. Okay, so that doesn't actually work. Username and password incorrect. That was root, password, CMS. So we do have a database here though also. So let's go ahead and see if we can MySQL, tac u root, tac p, and then we'll do for our password, we'll do password. And we're in there. Okay, so show databases. Databases. CMS, MySQL, form schema API. Let's go ahead and use CMS at first. Show tables. We got flag. You can always do that. Select star from flag. I may already have this flag. I don't know. We'll try it. I think I already have this one from just reading the very beginning of it. No, I did not. Alright, cool. So we found that flag. Cool. That was a cool one. I like how that flag was hidden in there. But let's try to look at users. CMS users. Should say something like that. Yep, CMS users. See if we can crack any passwords. So select, whoopsie daisy. Select star from CMS users. And we do. So we do get some hashes in here. We get Shrek. So Shrek is one of the users in here. That's the password right there. We try to crack that if we want to. So let's go ahead and use John the Ripper. Try to crack that. So we'll do a nano Shrek pass.text. Okay. And we'll do John word list fork 4. We'll just do Shrek pass.text fork equals 4. And it looks like we didn't get anything with that now, did we? I wonder if this is like a raw MD5 password. Format equals raw. Was it raw tac MD5, right? Raw tac MD5. I wonder if it's that MD5. Doesn't look like we're getting much in here now, does it? We can always try to take that and put it into like a password cracker or something like that. Crack station. Always try that one. Crackstation.net and see if we can get anything with this guy. I'm not a robot. Alright, not getting anything in there, so don't know what his password is just yet. Looks like he's got a pretty strong one, or we just can't figure out what is actually running on there. So let's go ahead and go back to show databases. Let's go ahead and use API, I guess. We'll try this one. Show tables. Select star from users. And we have an FTP user with this password right here. Go ahead and nano that shrekpass.text, and we'll throw this guy in there also. We'll say FTP, boom, boom, go ahead and John that again. We get rid of this 4 max. I don't know if he's MD5 or not. I don't know what he is. And or that might not even. That might just be. It might not even be. No, I'm wondering if that's even hashed. So I'm wondering. Go ahead and grab this guy. Let's throw him into here. Unrecognized hash. I'm wondering if that's even a hash. FTP as, and the user is also FTP. So FTP into, what is the IP address for that guy again? 10, 250, 52, not 251. We're going to try to do FTP as the user. And I'm just going to try that password. I don't know. Long as successful. Alright, cool. So I wonder if that other one's not even hashed. I wonder if this isn't hashed also. I wonder if that's Shrek's actual password. Which we could always try to do username, set username to Shrek. And set password to that extremely long one. And we can try to run it again. Okay. That did not work. Upload failed. Let's go ahead and I guess we can try SSH in his Shrek. 10.10.52.251. Shrek's password. We'll try that long thing. And no, okay. Okay. So that was not it. But we were able to FTP into it. Cat message.text. Or get message.text. Might be something that we can have. Move message.text into Shrek. CD into Shrek. Cat message.text. Stop forgetting your password, Donkey. Next time we'll reset it, Shrek. So this is Donkey's password. So we got Donkey's now. So we could SSH in as Donkey, who also has Donkey who has that same permissions that we saw over there. So he can also do GDB, which we can elevate our privileges from there. 251. Now I don't know how you would actually get that password if you weren't already, if you didn't already find all that, but we did just get in like that, and we could from here do what we want to do. We could also upload stuff into FTP, things like that, if we want to. But yeah, that was pretty good, like right there. Where's my GTF opens? There it is. Because we can now have an SSH way in, and then do our GTF opens from here. So we CD in the user bin, and then do that guy right there. And now we are still root, but now we have an SSH as root. So that's pretty sweet. CD into root. That goes in dev null. That's not gonna matter. Iconic KS big root.txt. King.txt. And we did have why do we have GDB on this guy? Because we do like a GDB tech queue. What program are we trying to run here? Let me look at that SUID one more time, because I want to see what program we're trying to run as that. I kind of want to see if we can do a binary exploit on this guy also. Unix check password. User netctl. I'm not seeing any actual programs in here. I don't know what that is. Maybe the Polka Agent Helper 1 launcher. So let's go ahead and CD into PAM timestamp check. This is run parts like right here. It's an actual program. Can we actually run parts list test directory? Okay, never mind. Alright. Yeah, I feel like we found a few ways to escalate our privileges. We found a couple different ways in. We found a bunch of flags. We got 7 flags. You're saying at 535 points. That's about it for me. So I don't really think there's much else I can do to this box right here. There probably is. Probably even more. I can really start working on trying to find that CMS, I guess. Yeah, I mean, other than that, that wasn't it's pretty easy. Other than that, that was kind of an easier one, like right there, for capture the flag at least. I've not done capture the flag in a long time though, also. So that is about it though. So have a good one. If you guys want to do capture the flag, let me know. See more of those, let me know, and we'll do more capture the flag stuff. And yeah, that should be about it. So everyone have a good one, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.